Hey, it's Stacy with Home Organized Tribe, and I'm back with another 2-minute tidy tip. These tips are designed to help you reclaim your space and reset your life one room at a time. So let me ask you something. When was the last time you walked into your bedroom and exhaled? Not because you were exhausted, but because it felt like a true escape from the chaos of the rest of the house. If your bedroom is buried with laundry baskets, piles of clothes, or clutter on the nightstand, you are not alone. But here's the truth most people overlook: clutter in your bedroom equals clutter in your mind. And that's not where peace lives. This room should feel like a reset button. But instead, most women I work with, it feels like the last priority. And that's exactly what we're flipping today. Here are 3 ways to start resetting your bedroom and closet without overhauling your entire house. Number 1, start with your surfaces. Clear the nightstand, your dresser top, and the chair in the corner. You know, the one that's the second closet by now. When surfaces feel calm, your brain does too. All right, number 2, choose your top 10. So I want you to go into your closet and I want you to pull out your 10 favorite items, the ones you actually wear. Hang them at eye level. This little shift creates a sense of clarity, and suddenly the rest of the closet looks like noise. All right, number 3, create a no drop zone. This is huge. Listen close. Decide where the laundry goes immediately, not tomorrow, not later. One basket, one drawer, one system. We don't rise to the level of our motivation. We fall to the level of our systems. So we need to create this system starting right now. No drop zones. Put your laundry in the basket. Got it? Okay. So if you're nodding along thinking, okay, Stacy, I want the peace, but my room is way too far gone. You don't need to figure this out alone. I created the Bedroom Reset program for exactly this reason. I will walk you through how to declutter, reset, and reorganize your bedroom and closet without guilt, burnout, or perfectionism. Remember, we're not going for Pinterest perfect. We're going for the true reality of life and how it will function better for you. Just simple actions that create real results. So click the link in the description if you are ready to finally turn your bedroom and closet into the calm space you deserve. And comment below and let us know, what's one part of your bedroom or closet you avoid the most? Because we need to talk about that. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the next 2-minute tidy tip. You've got this. We can do this one room at a time. So until the next 2-minute tidy tip, happy decluttering.